Let us see. These connective tissue are called as binding tissue, or it is called as packaging tissue. The reason is that it bind or connect the various tissue and organs of our body. It provides strength, it provides support and protection to the body. And these connective tissue are abundance का मतलब कि they it is present in large amount in our body in different form, and there is some basic characteristics of these connective tissue, like the connective tissue form the large intercellular matrix. They form the large intercellular matrix. It is also form the connective tissue cells and fibers. The common characteristics of connective tissue is to form the intercellular matrix. Note down please, intercellular matrix, connective tissue cells and fibers. And with this, there are very few number of cells in the matrix of connective tissue. There is very few number of cells in the matrix of connective tissue. Most of the in most of the condition, when there is the presence of matrix, first of all we should have to know the matrix. What is matrix? If you'll see any tissue in our body, then the cells are suspended in a particular जेली लाइक सब्सटेंस और हार्ड सब्सटेंस. जैसे आप ब्लड को पढ़ते हो तो हम ब्लड में पढ़ते हैं कि देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ फ्लूइड मैट्रिक्स एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्लाज्मा. उस प्लाज्मा में ही सारी सेल्स क्या होती हैं, सस्पेंडेड होती है. तो दैट प्लाज्मा इज द मैट्रिक्स. लाइक दिस in most of the connective tissue, in all the connective tissue, there is presence of क्या बोलो, matrix. There is presence of matrix, and these matrix, और आप कह सकते हो कि matrix is non-living jelly like ground substance. matrix वर्ड यदि आता है very easily आप कह लो this matrix is non-living जेली लाइक, बेटा अपने आप को म्यूट कर लो, जेली लाइक ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस. मैट्रिक्स is jelly like non-living ground substance, and the large number, there is presence of large number of white and yellow fiber in the matrix. In the matrix there is presence of large number of yellow and white fibers. अभी हम लोग आगे पढ़े हैं कि जो येलो और व्हाइट फाइबर्स हैं ये क्या होते हैं. देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ large number of yellow and white fibers in the matrix, and this matrix is secreted by the presence of cell in the connective tissue. These matrix आर फॉर्म, क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स की फॉर्मेशन होगी हमारे सेल में कहीं, तो यह मैट्रिक्स की जो फॉर्मेशन होती है कहाँ होती है, जो सेल है हमारे कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर, दैट सेल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सिक्रीशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एंड फाइबर इन द connective tissue. First of all, we have to tissue that the connective tissue is formed by the large number of intercellular matrix. Intercellular matrix, the first thing. The second one is connective tissue cells. Cells, and the third one is fiber. These are the three type of form of the connective tissue. आप simple कह लो कि they are formed, the connective tissue are formed with the help of intercellular matrix, connective tissue cells and fiber. This matrix and fiber are formed with the help of connective tissue cells which is present in them. जो उसमें उपस्थित होती हैं उसी से इस मैट्रिक्स की और फाइबर की फॉर्मेशन होती है. These fiber and matrix are secreted by the presence of connective cells, are the cells in the connective tissue. And there are some basic general feature, general function of the connective tissue which provide the different type of function in our body. The connective tissue, most of the connective tissue are helpful in the binding. They are helpful to provide support, storage, attachment. They are also helpful in the transportation of the substances, packaging or padding. They are helpful in the defense and repair of different parts of our body. One by one, we will study about the function of connective tissue, that these connective tissue are helpful in different way in our body. Like यदि हम कॉमन बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर स्टडिंग अबाउट द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, हम किसी पर्टिकुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू को नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर स्टडी अबाउट ऑल टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. जितने प्रकार के भी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू होते हैं उन सबके फंक्शन को हम पढ़ रहे हैं. दैट देयर आर सम कॉमन फंक्शन which is provided by the different type of connective tissue in our body. So what are the functions? The first one is called as binding tissue, as we have studied. It is helpful in binding. It is helpful to provide us support. The connective tissue are also helpful in the storage, attachment, they are also helpful in transportation. यहां दिख रहा है ना बेटा आपको? पैडिंग और पैकिंग. And the last one is defense and repair. Defense, the eighth one is repair. Let us see. There are different type of function of connective tissue, like it is helpful in binding, support, storage, attachment, and transportation, packing, defense, and repair. How these connective tissue are helpful in different way in our body, one by one we will know. That there is presence of some connective tissue which help in the binding of the tissue together in the organ. As we have studied that connective tissue are called as binding tissue. The reason is that they help to bind the tissue to form the organs. They are also helpful to provide the support. There is presence of the hard endoskeleton or exoskeleton in our body, that is called as bones and cartilage. These bones and cartilage are the example of connective tissue. हम लोग 9th में भी पढ़े, अभी भी पढ़ेंगे. That there are different example of connective tissue. In that example, the bone and cartilage are the connective tissue which provide support to the various organ in our body. It is the hard endoskeleton of our body which give support to our muscles. It provides supports to our body, due to which we can stand, we can sit, or we are able to perform any work very easily. So we can say that connective tissue are helpful to provide the particular support to our body. With this, we have studied that these connective tissue are helpful in the storage. How it is possible? We have studied that there is presence of areolar and adipose tissue, and it is the example of connective tissue. Areolar tissue and adipose tissue are the example of connective tissue. You have studied that adipose tissue is helpful in the storing of fat, and this fat is utilized in case of starvation. जब हमें भोजन समय से नहीं मिल पाता है या ज्यादा समय तक हम भूखे रहते हैं, उस कंडीशन में हमारे बॉडी को जो एनर्जी मिलती है वो कहाँ से मिलती है? उसी स्टोरेज फैट से मिलती है. तो उस फैट को स्टोर करने का जो टिश्यू हमारे बॉडी में होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एडिपोज टिश्यू. that adipose tissue is helpful in the storing of substances, the storing of हम क्या कह लें fat in our body, due to which we say that the connective tissue is helpful in the storage of the fat, and the example of storing connective tissue is known as or called as the adipose tissue. After then we have to study about the attachment. As we have studied that there is presence of tendon and ligaments, आप पढ़ चुके हो, there is presence of tendons and ligaments which help to join the muscles to muscles and bone to muscles. In that condition, these connective tissue are helpful in the attachment of bones and muscles, or bones to bones, or muscles to bones, and they are called as tendons and ligaments. एक एक के बारे में डिटेल में भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. After that we have to study in transportation, how the connective tissue are helpful in the transportation. We have studied that there is presence of vascular connective tissue, and these vascular connective tissue are called as blood and lymph. This blood and lymph is helpful in the transportation of substances like the food material. They are also helpful in the transportation of various material in our body, like waste material, like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and so on. Due to this, we see that blood and lymph are the example of connective tissue which help in the transportation of various type of substances in our body. So we have to study about the transportation. After that, we have to study about the padding and packing. How can we say that the connective tissue is helpful in packing of the substances? There is presence of areolar connective tissue. आप पढ़े हो, it is present beneath the skin, and this areolar connective tissue act as the padding, and it is also helpful as the packing material in different organ of our body. The reason is that it is present below the skin, beneath the skin हम कहते हैं. In that condition, it protect our body from external jerk. यदि हमें बाहर से कहीं से चोट लगता है तो हमारे बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम ये एरियोलर टिश्यू करते हैं. Areolar, as the name given here, areolar, there is presence of cavity like structure. There is presence of air cavity like structure, due to which it absorbs the external shock. When we get heated by any means from the external side of our body, in that condition, these areolar tissue is helpful. It work like the padding to protect our body, due to which we say that the areolar connective tissue is helpful in packing and padding. After that, we have to study about the defense and repair. You all are very familiar that there is presence of plasma cells, there is presence of lymphocytes, macrophages, which is present in the matrix of the connective tissue. WBC के बारे में पढ़े हो, lymphocytes, T और B के बारे में भी आप पढ़ोगे कि what are the lymphocytes, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. And you should know that these lymphocytes are helpful to provide us immunity to fight against the diseases. It also protect our body in different way. It defend our body from the foreign material. In that condition, we say that the plasma cell, lymphocytes are macrophages. Macrophage होते हैं, mast cell भी होती हैं, which are helpful to increase our immune system, to increase our immunity, due to which we can fight against the diseases and our body is fit and fine. After that, the last one which we have to study is called as repair. As the word given here, repair, there is presence of collagen fiber, and this collagen fiber, which is an example, हम क्या कहें, collagen fiber of the connective tissue is helpful in the repairing or of the injured parts, injured tissue of our bodies. जैसे हमारे बॉडी में कभी फोड़े हो जाते हैं, वुंड वगैरह हो जाते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे हील होने लगता है, हीलिंग होती है. उस हीलिंग में मदद करने वाला कौन होता है? कोलेजन फाइबर होता है. सो वी कैन से दैट देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ कोलेजन फाइबर. अब ये कोलेजन फाइबर क्या होते हैं आगे हम लोग अभी चर्चा करेंगे एक एक के बारे में. These collagen fiber are helpful in the repair of the injured tissue in case of wound or cutting in our body. So we have studied that this is the overall function of the connective tissue in our body. Now we have to study about the types of connective tissue. On the basis of function structure, there are different type of connective tissue which is present in our body. So we should have to know the form and types of connective tissue on the basis of structure and function. Type of connective tissue. There are three main type of connective tissue. अब आप कहोगे सर इसमें तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिया हुआ है, आप कम बता रहे हैं. There are three main type of connective tissue. The first one is called as proper connective tissue या connective tissue proper भी करके लिखता है. प्रॉपर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, कहीं कहीं इसको कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर भी कर देता है. तो इससे घबराने की बात नहीं कि सर आपने तो पहले प्रॉपर लिखा है और ये प्रॉपर बाद में दिया हुआ है बुक में. इट इज नॉट अ मैटर. कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर या प्रॉपर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. द सेकेंड वन इज स्केलेटल टिश्यू. Skeletal tissue, it is also a part of connective tissue. And the third one is called as vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. There are three type of connective tissue. The first one is proper connective tissue, second one is skeletal tissue, and the third one is vascular tissue. There are different form of the proper connective tissue. The first one is called as areolar tissue. The second one is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. The third one is tendon. And the last one is ligaments. Ligaments. These are the four type of proper connective tissue. आप यहाँ से देख लो. There are four type of proper connective tissue or connective tissue proper. The first one is areolar tissue, second one is adipose tissue, third one is tendon, and then ligaments. After that, we have to study about the skeletal tissue. There is presence of bones and cartilage. Bone and cartilage. These are the example of skeletal tissue, whereas the blood and lymph, blood and lymph, blood and lymph are the example of vascular tissue. We have studied that connective tissue is of three types. The first one is connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and vascular tissue. These are also of different type. Now we have to study about different type of connective tissue which is given in your syllabus and book. Areolar tissue, adipose tissue, ligaments, tendons, bones, cartilage, blood and lymph. आपको यही पढ़ना है. आपकी बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ है कि what are the connective proper, skeletal and vascular tissue नहीं दिया हुआ. But we should have to know that why these tissue are categorized as proper connective tissue, skeletal tissue and vascular tissue. One by one we will study. First of all, we have to study about the connective tissue proper. Now, the proper connective tissue or connective tissue proper, that is specially called as binding tissue. इसी को हम binding tissue कहते हैं because it help in the binding and connection, provide strength to our body. This connective tissue proper is called as binding tissue. The reason is that this binding connective tissue or connective tissue proper is most abundant type of tissue in our body. And the matrix of this connective tissue, matrix तो आप समझ चुके हो matrix क्या है? The matrix of this connective tissue is very soft. हाँ बोलो बेटा बताओ. कोई कुछ बोल रहा था. ये जीतू भैया कौन है भाई? जीतू भैया, भैया आप अपना नाम मेंशन कर लो. यदि भैया ही हो तो नाम को मेंशन करो, अपना प्रॉपर नेम मेंशन करो और एडमिशन नंबर डालो बेटा. I don't know that who is Jitu, but please mention your name and admission number. Otherwise, Jitu. But I will bound to remove you from here. हट गया खुद. Let us see. We have to study about the connective tissue proper, that this connective tissue have the matrix, and its matrix is soft, gelatinous, and it is less rigid. यदि gelatinous है, hard नहीं है, उस condition में क्या होगा? Rigidity कम होगी, उसमें less rigid होगा. So we can say that the matrix of the connective tissue proper is soft. It is gelatinous, and due to softness and gelatinous, it is the less rigid, which hold the various tissue together in an organ. हमारे बॉडी के जो ऑर्गन होते हैं उनको क्या कर रहा है? बाइंडिंग का काम कर रहा है. इन दैट कंडीशन व्हेन इट वर्क like the binding tissue, it hold the tissue together in the body to form the organs, and due to jelly like matrix there is presence of fiber and cells. There is presence of fibers and cells. अब यही आपको जानना है कि फाइबर क्या होती हैं और सेल्स क्या होती हैं. आप सिंपल पढ़ लो कि जो जेली लाइक मैट्रिक्स हैं, तो इन जेली लाइक मैट्रिक्स देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ फाइबर्स एंड सेल्स. जो भी सेल्स होते हैं, जैसे आप ब्लड को पढ़े कि ब्लड में प्लाज्मा क्या है? मैट्रिक्स है, और उसमें डब्ल्यूबीसी, आरबीसी एंड सो ऑन जो भी होते हैं उसमें सस्पेंड होते हैं. इन सेम कंडीशन आप कह सकते हो कि इन डायट जेली लाइक मैट्रिक्स ऑफ द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू प्रॉपर, the fiber and cells are suspended. They are present in the jelly like matrix. क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं? फाइबर होते हैं और सेल होते हैं. Now we have to know about the connective tissue fiber या connective tissue cell जो होती हैं उनके बारे में भी हमें जानना है. These connective tissue fiber in jelly like matrix there is presence of fiber and cells. Now we should have to study about the connective tissue fiber and connective tissue cell. These connective tissue fiber and cells are also of different type. One by one we will know about the different type of connective tissue fiber. The first one which we have to study is connective tissue fiber. There are different types of connective tissue fiber in our body, especially it is of three types. These connective tissue fiber are of three types. The first one is called as collagen fiber. The second one is called as elastin. And the third one is called as reticular fiber. These connective tissue fibers are of three types. The first one is collagen fiber, the second one is elastin fiber, and the third one is reticular fiber. आप note कर सकते हो. There are three types of connective tissue fiber. The first one is collagen fiber. Second one is elastin fiber, and the third one is reticular fiber. The third one is called as reticular fiber. There are three types of fibers: connective tissue fiber, collagen fiber, elastin fiber, and reticular fiber, which work in different way in our body. And the connective tissue cells are also of four types. ये तो हम लोग फाइबर के बारे में पढ़ लिए कि तीन तरह के होते हैं. कोलेजन फाइबर होता है, एलास्टिन होता है, रेटिकुलर फाइबर होता है. इसके साथ साथ जो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू सेल्स होती हैं, दीज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू सेल्स आर आल्सो ऑफ फोर टाइप, एंड दैट फोर टाइप ऑफ द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू सेल्स आर द फाइब्रोब्लास्ट, हिस्टोसाइट्स, मैक्रोफेजेस एंड मास्ट सेल. क्या होती हैं? फाइब्रोब्लास्ट होती हैं. द सेकेंड वन इज कॉल्ड एज हिस्टोसाइट्स, the third one is called as macrophages, and fourth one is called as mast cell. These four type of connective tissue cells are helpful in the preparation, in the formation of matrix and fibers of connective tissue. यही वो सेल्स होती हैं जो फाइबर और मैट्रिक्स के सिक्रीशन में क्या करती हैं? मदद करती हैं. सो वी शुड हैव टू नो दैट देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू सेल्स, and these connective tissue cells are helpful in the secretion of matrix, in the secretion of fibers in the tissue in the body. So what are the different type of, इसको आप नोट कर लिए हो? नोट करते जाओ बेटा. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us see what are the different type of connective tissue cells. इसे भी आप नोट कर लो. There is presence of fibroblast, the second one is histocytes, the third one is macrophage, and the fourth one is mast cell. Mast cell. These are the four types of, नहीं दिख रहा है नीचे, mast cell. These four type of connective tissue cells are helpful in the secretion of matrix, in the secretion of fibers of our body. Now we have to study that there is the loose connective. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर थर्ड वाला नहीं सुन रहा, क्या लिखे हैं?
मैक्रोफेज लिखे हैं, MACROPHAGES, मैक्रोफेजेस. ठीक है. These are the four type of connective tissue cells. आपको याद कर लेना है ये, that there is presence of connective tissue fiber, जो तीन तरह के हो गए. इसमें क्या पढ़े हम लोग? कोलेजन फाइबर को पढ़े, एलास्टिन को पढ़े, रेटिकुलिन को पढ़े या रेटिकुलर फाइबर को पढ़े, उसे हम रेटिकुलिन भी कहते हैं. The second one we have to study about the connective tissue cells, and these connective tissue cells are responsible for the secretion of fibers and matrix in the body. Now we have to study about the loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. On the basis of presence of fibers and matrix, आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ भी है, on the basis of presence of matrix and fiber, कितने अबाउंडेंट मात्रा में है, कम है या ज्यादा है, कौन ज्यादा है और कौन कम है, इसके आधार पर हम कनेक्टिव टिश्यू को दो हिस्सों में बांट देते हैं, एक को हम कहते हैं लूज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू और दूसरे को कहते हैं डेंस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, एज द नेम गिवन हियर, लूज एंड डेंस. In case of loose connective tissue, there is few number of fiber and more matrix. आप समझ लो, in case of loose connective tissue, there is few fiber and more matrix. In case of dense connective tissue, it is totally opposite. There is more. क्या हो जाएंगे बताओ यदि अपोजिट होगा तो?
More fiber and
more fiber and less matrix. बड़े आसानी से आप समझ लो. In case of loose connective tissue, there is presence of less fiber या few fiber and more matrix. But in case of dense connective tissue, dense regular भी आएगा, dense connective tissue, there is more fiber and less matrix. Example यदि आपको जानना है, if you have to know about the example of loose connective tissue, then very easily आप कह लो कि जो एरियोलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू होते हैं या एडिपोज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू होते हैं, these are the example of loose connective tissue. The areolar tissue and adipose tissue are the example of loose connective tissue, whereas there is presence of tendons and ligaments. There is presence of tendons and ligaments. These are the example of dense connective